What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making a breakfast quesadilla. Got the griddle warming up. We're at about 300, so let's get ready to throw these veggies on. Got some really good ingredients going in this. Some nice eggs with I'm gonna use sour cream this time. I heard it's a really good thing to do, and let's give it a try. Got some oil down. Put a little butter in there. Get it all mixed up good. Put these veggies on. Stay up here, buddy. So we got some red pepper, some jalapeno, and some yellow onion. Get it all on here. Want to make sure we get them seeds from them jalapenos. Boom. Just toss this stuff up. Want to get this stuff cooked up real nice. So we're just gonna let this stuff cook up over here. I'm gonna wait to put the sausage on because that stuff cooks up real fast. Do that over here. Actually, I'll probably just move this over, do it over here. And yeah, I want to get a real nice sear on these veggies though. That's how I prefer my stuff. If you don't like it that way, then don't do that. So let's see how we're doing on these veggies. I think we're looking pretty good. Got a nice little grill look to them. I like it. Nice caramelization. Starting up. You know what? Let's go ahead and push these. We'll just push them up here. They're still gonna cook a little bit. Get the sausage going. Now this is 1 pound of Jimmy Dean's breakfast sausage. You know, standard stuff. So we're just gonna squeeze that out. Don't want to waste it. Trying to get it all. There we go. Now this is probably a lot more than I need, but I'm hoping there's a little bit extra so I can take a little bit to work tomorrow. Have a nice little breakfast. So we're just gonna chop this stuff up. Boom. Chop it on up. So the sausage is almost done. So now just gonna mix the veggies on in with it. Let this stuff cook together for a couple. And this stuff's only been on for a minute and a half or so, something like that. I mean, cooks up real fast. So let's just move it around. I forgot to tell you where we're at here. You know what? I'm gonna turn, I've had these both on high the whole time. I'm gonna turn them down to a medium. And yeah, we're just gonna let this stuff cook for just a hot second. And then it's about time to build it. You know what? Turn them all the way low. So I still gotta cook the eggs, and I don't like to do that on super, super high heat. So let's just let this cook up for just a couple minutes. So this is all done. I'm gonna put it over here. Up in this corner. I haven't had these burners on at all, so much, much cooler. All right, I'm trying to save some of that oil and grease. Make cooking these eggs real good. All right. It's probably really hot still. We're at like 277, so that's good. I like that. Now what I'm gonna do, got these eggs right here. I'm gonna squirt a little bit of sour cream in there. One of my viewers commented on one of the videos and said that's what he uses, and they turn out really creamy and delicious. So let's go ahead and get a little bit of that in there. Kind of mush it up a little bit. There we go. Mix that cream in there. All right, let's do this. Man, it's gonna be so good. Just look at it. Just look at all that goodness. So yeah, these are just about done already. Boom. Actually, yeah, they are definitely fluffier. Well, they seem like they are right off the bat. All right, eggs are done. Boom. Throw a little salt and pepper on them. Don't need much salt with all the cheese we're about to put on this. All right, boom. Set them aside. Now, it's time to build. We're gonna build it now. You know what, I want this to come down a little more. So what I'm gonna do while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna mix all of this together. There we go. It'll make building it a whole lot easier too. Alright. Boom. So we'll get all this together. Now we can bake. Alright, so we got everything warming up. Boom. Just put that on there. Just give it a few seconds. Oh yeah. Alright, now give her a flip. Boom. Cheese it up. Lots of cheese. Lots of cheese. Now this is some Mexican cheese. You can use whatever kind you want. Alright. Got a little melt action going on. Boom. There we go. That should be alright. Now, just put on your toppings. Spread it around. So I got everything on here. Just want to get this thing nice and hot before I put it on here, because help melt that cheese on top, make the flip easier. So that's been good enough. Oh yeah. Boom. I like to give it a little press. Keep it a little, like try to keep it kind of thin, but not too thin. I mean, I don't think you can make this thing too thin. It's boom. Just let it go. All right, I think we're done. Baby, this is gonna be so good. All right, let's give this thing a taste. Ooh, man, look at all that creamy cheese in there. Very good. Now, I was making this for the whole family, so I didn't want to make it too spicy. Jalapeños don't really have that much spice at all. But what I would do next time if I was making this for myself, put some serranos in there, maybe some hot peppers, some chili garlic sauce, that would be good too. Man, these eggs are nice and I don't even know how to describe it. They're like just good. It's really good. Ooh, veggies, them onions are delicious. I love onions. That's my favorite thing. Side or whatever. Fried vegetables on the griddle, love them. So good. But yeah, I'm about to get in, eat my dinner. Appreciate you guys coming along. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up for me. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.